So starting off with, this is sheet 3, 1 and 2 are already on here. Starting off with nth term rule then, so every time it's going up by 5n, by 5, so I know my rule is going to be 5n, and each time I go I take away 1, so it's going to be 5n minus 1. Question 2, it's going up by 9 every time, so it's going to be 9n, and I say to myself, what do I do to the 9 times table to get back to my sequence? I take away 7. The next one, nice and easy, it's 3, so it's going to be 3n, it's going up by 3 each time. And then what do I do to the 3 times table to get back to my sequence? I take away 2. The next one's slightly different because it's going down by 3 every time. So it's 16, 3, 10, 7, 4. So it's going to be minus 3n. And how do you get back to the to the sequence? You add on 19. So it's minus 3n plus 19. Now the next one, it's going to be minus 5n because it's going down by 5 every time. So minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So it's minus 5n plus 25, and that gives me the final solution there. I hope that's okay. That's called the nth term rule. Now question 2, fertilizer costs $3 per square meter. How much will it cost to fertilize the lawn? So 8 times 4, it's going to give you 32 meters squared for your area. And if each square meter costs 3, we'll do 32 times 3, which gives me $96. Okay, question 2, expand the brackets. So we have got 2x squared minus 6x. The next one, we've got x squared plus 3x plus 2x and then plus 6, which is going to give us x squared plus 5x plus 6, and that's our final answer. The next one, we'll expand it and we'll get 2x squared plus 6x minus x squared minus 4x. So in the end, collect our like terms. We're going to get 1x squared, 6x take away 4x, so plus 2x. And there we go. So your final answer there is x squared plus 2x. Okay, next one, calculate the area. So the area of the big shape is going to be 3 multiplied by 8, which is 24 meters squared. And then the next bit is 2 times 6, which is 12 meters squared. Take them away, and we've got 12 meters squared as our final answer. So you do the big area minus the small area, and there we go. Okay, part B, we need to work out. It's frozen. So we need to split it here into shape 1 and shape 2. Now shape 1 is nice and easy. It's going to be 8 multiplied by, actually it's not that easy. It's going to be, this distance here will be 4. We know that already though, don't we? So this distance here is also going to be 4. So it's 8 by 4. So it's 32 meters squared. And this other one, triangle rectangle 2, is going to be 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 gives us 12 meters squared, which in total gives us 44 meters squared. There we go. Okay, next part, number 5. Calculate the value of z when a is 7, b is 3, c is minus 2. 3a plus 2b, well, that's going to be 3 times 7 plus 2 times 3, which is going to be 21 plus 6, which is 27. The next one is going to be 3 times 3 minus 2 times minus 2, which is going to become 9 plus 4 because a minus and a minus makes a plus, giving me 13. And the last one, 2c, so negative 4, double A is going to be 14, double B is going to be 6, minus 4 plus 14 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So our final answer there is 16. Okay, next up, x to the 7 times x to the 10. Remember, when you're multiplying, you add the powers. So it's x to the 7 plus 10, which is x to the power of 17. The next one is y to the 3. And the next one, times all the numbers together. 3 times 8 times 2 is y to the power of 24. This next one, I would always say solve it like an equation and then put the inequality sign back in at the end. So you'll get 2x minus 12 plus 3 is less than 3. So 2x minus 9 is less than 3. Add 9 to both sides. 2x is less than, it's going to be 12. So x is less than 6. And that's your final answer there for that one. Okay, so this is actually the last question now, I think. So using Pythagoras theorem, we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is our longest side. So these ones are a and b. So we'll do 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared or x squared. So 9 plus 16 equals x squared. Therefore, 25 equals x squared. So 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to 5. So the value of the missing hypotenuse here is 5. Now, one last question. The next one, we have got, we know the hypotenuse this time. So we're trying to work out b. So we need to do minus. So we need to say that x squared is equal to the biggest squared, 9 squared, minus 7 squared. So x squared is equal to 81 minus 49, which is going to be equal to 32. X is equal to the square root of 32. And root 32 is equal to 5.7. I hope that's helped, and we'll do another sheet soon on some of the harder topics for your revision. Take care, bye-bye.